Right. Using the C button, push once, come around the front, and then scroll up using the A button so it says 030 test machine. Push button D, and then scroll around using button A. A goes one way, B goes the other on the menu, till you come to group cleaning.
Yeah.
At which point, then push D. The unit starts to go into a cleaning cycle.
Is it fun?
Please wait, because depending on like what software version you've got, it might ask you to put a cleaning tablet in. Some do, some don't. It depends on like the age. So, that ones.
Yeah.
So these are the tablets, right?
These are the cleaning tablets. Yeah, this has to be done once a week.
Okay.
There's a lot of waiting around on this. So, as you can see, it's still same cleaning. We'll do something. It will go into like the next step. It takes a long while, and then you think like there's nothing happening.
But the process is happening behind the scenes.
But yeah, it's just taking a software. It's taking a little bit of time to actually go through the cleaning cycle. A lot of people in the past have turned them on and turned them off at the back. One, it will just reset the cleaning, but it will not go through the cleaning cycle. It just resets the counters, but your brewer doesn't get cleaned.
Okay.
So, as you can see, it's now moving. Now it's asking you to please insert the tablet. Please wait. So get your tablet and then push in. Drop it into that there. Yeah. At which point, again, there's a lot of waiting around on this. It's going to still ask you to do this. Do what it says. Please wait. On some of the older versions, it will say push D to confirm. That means that you've put the tablet in, and then it does this bit immediately. This one just times out. It will go through. Now this will do like a complete cleaning cycle. It's pushing water through like the front. So what it's doing is it's cleaning like your filter plates. The idea of this, what we're doing now, is to clean. Yeah, you've got two filter plates. You've got one at the top, and then one at the bottom. And then what happens is how this will work. Is the coffee, the brewer chamber comes down, the coffee gets ground, and then it goes onto the first filter plate. And as the filter plate comes up, it meets this one here, and it squeezes the coffee together. Some of them you can do what's called pre-infusing, just a little bit of water, and then that helps. And then the coffee gets into, like the water gets pumped through the bottom, up through the coffee cake, and then out through the nozzle and into your cup. This is cleaning all that process inside, really the two filter plates. If your filter plates are getting dirty and they haven't been cleaned, what you will get is like little dribbles of water, coffee coming through, and it will not push the until at which point the coffee stops coming out completely, and then you've got a problem. But this is cleaning this. This has to be done once a week.
Okay.
Takes about 5 minutes, I think you're right, Eric.
5 minutes, yeah.
5 minutes. Once we get to the end of the cleaning cycle, the machine will do 3 espresso drinks. So if you get to it and it starts to make a coffee all on its own, it's meant to. What it's doing is if they've got any type of taste left over from the cleaning tablet, it gets rid of it. So it will make 3 espressos, one after the other, then it will wait, and then it will reset itself, and then that's the cleaning cycle completely done.
Completely done,
Yeah. But you'll know when you're getting to the end of it, because it switches over and it makes espresso coffees. It will make you 3 espresso coffees.
Oh, when it makes 3 espresso shots.
Yeah, you'll hear it grind. So what it does is it finishes off the flushing. So as I said, at the moment, it's just flushing all that tablet through.
Now it makes.
So that's your first one. It's starting to make now. And you want to see a nice flow coming through. If that is really slow and it's just dribbling out, you might need to clean it again. What you want is a nice flow, sort of like that speed, because there's no coffee in that at the moment. Yes, it is. So you've got the coffee pack, and you want to see a nice flow. If it's really dribbling, it could be that it's either needs recalibrating or your
Clean
filter
again.
clean it again. Yeah. With these things, it's always best just to be too. You can't be too clean with these things.
Is it no harm to using
Those tablets? No, they're fine. They're fine. They're exactly the same sort of cleaning tablet as Coffee Tech make. I will give you the part number for the Coffee Tech ones. So at least you can say, no, we are using your... We'll go back to group cleaning. Again, it's a case of like just waiting. It does reset. And then it says like finished. I think it says finished. And that process has to be done
once a week?
once a week. Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. It's either before or after the.
So it's now gone back to like test machine. At
So
which
it
point
means it's finished.
yeah. At which point then you can push the C button to come back out.
And that's it. So now machine is ready to use.
Yeah, and now the machine is back to standby mode and ready to to go again.
Perfect.